Hello, good morning students. Children, in the last module we discussed about Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and you all know that in Jallianwala Bagh some hundreds of people had gathered to discuss about the Rowlatt Act that was passed by the Britishers, and they were having a meeting very peacefully without any arms and ammunition. Children, there were women, children in that area. Suddenly, General Dyer, the British, came and ordered his men, his policemen, to fire at the crowd. The crowd did not know where to go to save their lives. Some of them jumped over the wall, some jumped inside the well and died. Hundreds of people were killed, thousands were injured. Children, this day marked the 13th of April, where they had gathered before Vaisakhi, marked the Black Day in the Indian history. As you all know, we discussed that Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa. He was practicing law. He was a barrister in Africa. He was practicing law over there for a period of 20 years. And when he came to India, he met different leaders and went around the country and met poor people. He saw the condition of the people. He saw that men and women were living in utter poverty due to the policies of the Britishers. So he and other leaders of Indian National Congress called for boycott of the British goods, and called for using Swadeshi goods. The boycott means not to use the British made goods, the clothes, and to use the clothes which were made in India with the help of spinning wheels like charkha. This movement was very popular. Men and women came and threw their foreign goods in the bonfire. Then we discussed about the non-cooperation movement, children. That the Indians, they felt, the leaders and the common people felt that they should disobey the laws or the reforms passed by the Britishers. And they decided to disobey the laws peacefully. Gandhiji called for non-cooperation movement, but in a way not using any arms. But when, as you know, in Jallianwala Bagh, the Britishers killed common people, innocent people, the Indians got annoyed. They were angry. And it so happened that some people, they set fire to a police station in Chauri Chowra, which is in Uttar Pradesh, a place in Gorakhpur. And they actually, what they did, they killed 22 policemen over there. So they set fire to this police station, and there also the policemen, some were British, some were Indian soldiers who were working for the Britishers, they were killed. Now Gandhiji was in pain. He never wanted violence, and he did not want India should gain its freedom through violence. So he immediately called for stopping this movement, that is non-cooperation movement. During this non-cooperation movement, many great Indian leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu, the great poet and freedom fighter, C. Rajagopalacharya, Maulana Azad, Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, his father of Jawaharlal Nehru, then Jawaharlal Nehru, they participated in this non-cooperation movement. By the term you can understand, not to cooperate with the British government, to disobey their laws but peacefully. Gandhiji never wanted that Indians should get their freedom with the blood of innocent men and women. So these leaders, they were jailed by the Britishers for disobeying the law, but they happily did it because their ultimate aim was to have or gain freedom for the country. So this is non-cooperation movement, children. So non-cooperation movement was called or launched by Gandhiji in the year 1920. Okay, 1920, as you know, 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place, and after this the whole country was in shock, and the leaders and the common people wanted to protest against the many laws that were passed by the Britishers that we discussed about the Rowlatt Act, which made the Britishers, gave the power to the Britishers to imprison any Indian in the name of terrorism. So in 1920, Gandhiji launched this movement. Which movement? Non-cooperation movement. He asked the people to disobey the law but peacefully. That was very important. But an incident in Chauri Chaura, that is in Uttar Pradesh, a police station, some people set fire to a police station in which 22 policemen died. Gandhiji was in shock. Gandhiji could not take it because he was against any sort of violence or killing of people. So he withdrew the movement immediately. Okay, but in this non-cooperation movement, we got many young leaders, as I told you, like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, and they, along with Gandhiji, paved the way for India's freedom with different other movements which we will discuss in the later module.